Good afternoon.
Good
So we
afternoon,
can
ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
thank you. So we can start a new chapter, that is the food production, right?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
I
we
gave
was
one introduction.
discussing.
Okay, we are discussing about that. Okay, good. So from that discussion, you understood about the crops. I think crops, right? Crops. Is it clear
Yes, ma'am.
about crops? Okay.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So let me explain.
Ma'am.
Yes. Yes,
Ma'am.
Daniel, it is okay now. Okay. Okay.
Ma'am, in laptop, I can't talk to you. Audio problem.
So you can use the mobile phone.
Now I am using mobile phone.
Ma'am,
Okay.
I
Okay.
can't hear
Okay.
you.
So in the last class, we discussed about crops. Crops are useful plants, grow it in a piece of land, in a large area. That also we can say. Crops are when we grow useful plants in a large area, we can call them as crops. So here I am sharing the picture of some crops here. You can see it here. I think Gautam, unmute. Can you see this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So here you can see a rice field, right? Paddy field
Yes.
in green
Yes.
color. Then one wheat field is there. Then coconut trees are growing in a large area. So these also we can call them as crops. So here in a large area, these rice fields are
Paddy.
there. Paddy field is the present field is spreading onto a large area. Wheat field, this is the wheat field, okay, in yellow in color. And
Yes.
coconut trees also. And if you see, you
Grapes.
can see the grapes, right? Grapes
Yes.
also are growing in large area. Grow that so that we can call grapes also as a crop.
Crops.
Not only Gautam, mute it. Not only the grapes, bananas, plantain trees are there, bananas, jackfruit or pineapple. Whatever fruits, if we grow it in a large area, that also we can use to say it as crops. Hmm? And what about here? What about here? You take paper. Okay. So here you can see sunflower, right? Sunflower are growing in a large area. Sunflowers are growing in large area. So flowers also we can grow it as crops. Mm. Then vegetables, carrot, like not only carrot, cabbage, cauliflower, so many vegetables, we can grow it in large area. So at that time, that also we can call crops. Vegetables also comes under crops. Not only the rice and wheat or other grains. Vegetables also are crops, fruits also are crops, these flowers also are crops. Here it is the sugar cane, sugar cane plants, and here strawberries as a fruit. So these all are growing in large area. So the piece of land, Ananda, what you are writing? In a large area, if we grow these all type of plants, we can call it as crops. Okay. Then another one more crop. One more thing I will show you. So here you can see chickens are growing in a piece of land, and the cattle are also there. Cows are also there. So these also we can grow it. For growing, we need some piece of land there, right? So either we can grow crops or we can grow animals in a land. The land which is used to grow, the land which is used to grow crops and raise animals. we can call that land as a farm. That land as a farm. Okay, so in the farms, we can grow either useful crops. Crops means useful plants, or we can raise animals. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Do
Yes, ma'am.
anybody have any doubt?
No, ma'am.
No. Let me, don't unmute, don't unmute. Let me explain one more time. Then it will be very clear. Okay, don't unmute. So here, farm. Farm means it is a piece of land. Farm is nothing but a piece of land. What we are doing in that piece of land? We are used to grow crops. In that piece of land, we used to grow crops. And not only the crops, we raise animals. Raise means to grow. Raise, the meaning of the word raise is to grow. Okay, so either we can grow the crops or we can grow animals. That land we can call it as farm. I think it's clear, right? Okay, so Nandita, what is a farm? Can you read it from the board? What is a farm?
A farm is a piece of land used to grow crops and raise animals.
Okay, Madhav, what is a farm, Madhav? All others should read it themselves, okay?
Farm is a piece of land used to grow crops and raise animals.
Okay, Ananda, what is a farm, Ananda?
A farm is a piece of land used to grow crops and raise animals.
Okay, so do anybody have any doubt regarding the definition of farm? Is clear, right? No. Okay, see here, network issues are there, I think so. So, let me call you. Amna, what is a farm? Brightlin? Brightlin, what is a farm?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Amna, yes, yes.
land
When I called Amna,
to
she
grow
was...
crops.
Okay, Brightlin, please wait. When I called Amna, she was stuck. That is why. Yes, Amna. Yes, what is a farm? What is a farm?
Land used to grow crops or raise animals.
Okay, very good. Felix, what is a farm?
A farm is a piece of land used to grow crops and raise animals.
Very good. Chris, what is a farm?
A farm is a piece of land used to grow crops and rear animals.
Or rear animals or raise animals. So let me ask you, are you anybody have the farm? Do you have any farm? How many of you have farm? Now you understood. Okay, raise your hand. Raise your hand. Raise your hand. Okay, some are raising. Anandesh, okay, Anandesh is having farm. Okay, okay. Field, rice, field farm is there. Okay, rice, paddy field is there. Okay. Ananda, yes, severe, yes. Gautam, which type of farm? Gautam,
Ma'am, we are growing trees,
growing trees. Which type of trees?
coconuts, like
Okay,
banana
okay,
trees,
okay.
like that.
Okay, Adinath, which type of farm do you have?
Ma'am, vegetable farm.
Okay, very good. And what about Ananda? Ananda, I think, Ananda, fast. I want to ask to everybody. Manu, which type of farm?
chilies and flowers.
Chilies and flowers. See, are you selling it out?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay, good.
Excuse me,
Agnay.
ma'am.
Agnay. Agnay. Agnay.
And banana.
Okay, banana. Okay. See, due to some network issues, yeah, I can't ask to all. Okay. Angelina, what it is?
Ma'am, it is a paddy field and bananas
Plantation. Banana plantation. Okay, okay. 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 Yes, Anthony. Yes, who is calling?
Ma'am, Anthony.
Yes. What do you want?
Ma'am, vegetable farm and banana.
Okay, okay. Vegetable farm and banana plantation. Right. Okay. So here we learned about the farm. Next one. So these all pictures I showed you, right? Okay. Next one is what is a farming? What is farming? Farming means growing useful things on a farm. I can say it in a easy way. What is farming? Growing useful things on a farm is called farming. Likewise also we can say. So growing something in a farm. Growing something in a farm is called farming. Okay. And here you can see what we can grow it in a farm. Useful plants. What all things we can grow it in a farm? Useful plants. Not only that, raising livestock. Raising livestock. Raising livestock means the meaning of raising is to grow or to rear. Meaning of raising is to grow or to rear. So here raising livestock. Another new word, livestock. Livestock means domestic animals from which we get profit. They are called livestock. Livestock is a name given to the domestic animals when we grow them to get profit from them. For example, cows. Cows, when we grow cows in a large number, we can sell the milk products from it. Milk, butter, curd, ghee, that all things from it. And cow dung is also a good manure. So that also we can sell it. So from its product, we can make profit. So we can call cow is a livestock. The meaning of the livestock is domestic animals from which we get profit. Okay, domestic animals from which we get profit. That is the meaning of the livestock. So if we are growing cows, we can say the livestock is cow. If we are growing goats, we can say goats are the livestock. So if in a farm, if we are growing buffaloes, we can call the livestock of that farm is buffaloes. Okay, so farming, we are going to learn about the process farming. What is farming? What is a farming? Growing something on a farm. That is called farming. What we can grow it there? Useful plants, either the useful plants or to raise livestock. Either the useful plants or raising livestock. I think it is now clear, right? So farming, the definition of farming is growing useful plants and raising livestock on a farm. That is called farming. Okay, Harsha, read it. What is farming?
Growing useful plants and raising livestock on a farm is called farming.
Okay, Richard, what is farming? Richard, unmute. Yes, unmute. Okay, okay, 1 minute. Okay, unmute, Richard.
Yes, ma'am.
Ah, yes, what is a farming?
Growing useful things in a
Plants.
farm is called farming.
1 minute. Once again, read it.
Growing useful plants and raising livestock on a farm is called farming.
Okay. Felix, what is farming? What is a farming or what is farming?
Growing useful plants and raising livestock on a farm is called farming.
Okay, so here either you can say growing useful plants and animals on a farm. That is called farming. Growing useful plants and animals on a farm is called farming. But we have to learn new words, right? So instead of the animals, what we can add? Raising or rearing livestock. Raising or rearing livestock. Yes, Angelina, what is your doubt?
Ma'am, so we should livestock means like which we growing and it gives us products that are called livestock.
From the products, we can make money or we can make profit. Okay, that is
Ma'am,
called
what is meaning
livestock.
of profit?
Yes, Richard?
What is meaning of profit?
Profit, yes, from which we get the profit. Okay, so I think it is clear now. Anybody have any doubt regarding livestock? No. Okay, so shall I ask you, Nandita, do you have doubt? Yes or no? No. Okay, so Devak Menon, what is meant by farming? Devak Menon, what is meant by farming?
Growing useful
Hmm.
plants and raising livestock on a farm is called farming.
Very good, very good. Chinmay, what do you mean by farming?
Growing plants and livestock
Growing
piece of-
useful plants and
Growing
rearing
useful
or
plants and
raising. See,
growing
you can say it in a simple words, growing plants and animals on a farm. That also is correct. But when we learn new words, we have to apply it. Okay. So, Chinmay, please try. What is meant by farming?
growing useful plants and raising animals.
Livestock.
Raising
Livestock.
livestock is called farming.
Farming. Okay, clear. Okay. So, next one. Dane Krishna, can you tell me what is meant by farming? Dane. Say it
And
first.
useful,
Growing.
useful plants
Mm.
and raising
Mm.
in livestock is
Livestock. Raising livestock. Raising livestock. Okay.
livestock.
Raising means growing. Yes, Brightlin, what do you mean by farming?
Growing useful plants and raising livestock on a farm is called farming.
Okay, very good, very good. I think it is
Ma'am,
clear
I
now.
have a tapioca farm.
Brightlin?
Tapioca farm.
Tapioca farm.
Ma'am, I have a tapioca farm.
Okay, good, good. So now you understood, right? Okay.
Okay.
Next one. So let me go to the next point. That is about the farmer. Okay. Farmer. Who is a farmer? The people who work on their farms. That also we can say in simple sentence. The people who work on their farms are called farmers. Or we can say the people who grow useful plants and rear animals on their farms are called farmers. Okay, I think it is clear. The people who grow useful plants and rear animals. Here you can see a new word, rear. Rear means to raise, to grow. The same meaning. Rear means to grow or to raise. So, who is a farmer? The people who grow useful plants and rear animals on their farms are called farmers. Okay, Ammo, yeah. Who is a farmer, Ammo? Who is a farmer? Unmute.
The people who grow useful plants and rear animals on their farms are called farmers.
Very good. Adil Shafiq. Adil, who is a farmer?
Farmer is who grow useful plants and rare animals on their farms are called farmers.
Okay. Daniel, who is a farmer?
People who grow useful plants and rear animals on their farms are called farmers.
Okay, very good. Okay. John Sebi, who is a farmer? John, who is a farmer? Say it. I can't hear you, okay? Anina, who is a farmer?
The people who grow useful plants and rear animals on their farms are called farmers.
Okay. I think these three terms are clear. Is these three terms are clear? Do you have any doubt? If you have any doubt, please raise your hand. Please raise your hand. If you have any doubt, please raise your hand. I think it is clear, right? Okay. So shall I revise today's topic? Shall I, Agne? Yes, Agne. Yes. What is your doubt?
Ma'am, which part of tapioca plant is used to grow?
That is stem.
The root.
Okay, stem it is used to see from the mother plant we can take the stem of it, then we can make pieces, and that we are planting. From there the new leaves will come out. Okay. Is there any other doubt?
Ananda.
Okay, Ananda, what is your doubt, Ananda?
Some farming problems are there, ma'am. That for field, they are making new buildings in the fields.
Okay. Without, okay, you are worried about that one, right? Okay, very good. Very sensitive. Ananda is so sensitive about the environment. Yes, you might have heard about environmental problems, right? So before that, so many rice fields were there in Kerala also. But nowadays, due to some or the other reason, some fields are not growing any of the plants. So instead of that, they are constructing some buildings on it. Okay, so we are losing the food producing places. Actually, we are losing our food producing places. That is why nowadays government is not giving sanction for constructing any of the building if that place is a field. Whenever it was
Hill
a
areas
field.
also. Hill areas.
Yes.
Because so
Whenever
many landslides will be occurring.
Richard.
So many landslides will be.
So when you say something, say it loudly, Richard.
Landslides.
1 minute, Richard. Let Richard to say it.
If we build something on hill areas, landslides will be coming.
Yeah, that is why the landslide occurred at the beginning of this monsoon. You all have witnessed it, right? Yeah. See, because of the illegal cutting of the rocks from the mountains, that all made the soil of the mountains to become loose. So due to the heavy rain, that all soil came down along with the rainwater. That it is called landslide. So that is also there. But here we are saying about Ananda is worried about the fields. Yeah, so just 10 years before, we can see a lot of fields on village areas.
Ma'am, one time Kerala was the
Most rice producing
also
state.
coconut producing.
Coconuts also. Yes, yes, yeah. Coconuts were so many there. But nowadays, that is also, that type of farming is also not seen.
Kerala, it is also there are so many coconut trees.
Now also so many trees are there. Huh? Okay, okay.
Most of them are near beaches.
Richard, I can't hear you.
Most
Okay.
of them are near beaches.
Near the rivers.
No beaches.
Beach. Okay, beach.
Lakes, right? It's near the lakes, right?
Huh?
It's near the lakes, right?
Near the lakes, near the lakes, near the rivers.
Nowadays, coconut trees are